Good day everyone, this is Rojan M. Pajota, a second-year EC student in University of Southern Mindanao. Today, I will be teaching you how to solve an exact differential equation. At the end of this video, please leave your comment, suggestions, and recommendations about my video. Now let's proceed to our first example. Always remember that in solving exact differential equation, this dx term here is Rm, and the dy term here is Rn. So the first step will be get the partial derivative of m in terms of y and a partial derivative of n in terms of x. So here it goes. Partial derivative of 2xy in terms of y will be 2x. And partial derivative of x cubed in terms of y will be 0. Next is partial derivative of x squared in terms of x will be 2x. Plus the partial derivative of y squared in terms of x will be 0. As what we can see here, both partial derivatives are equals. Therefore, our my is equal to our nx. Then, this equation is an exact differential equation. Next step will be get the integration of m term in terms of x. So psi x dx is equal to m term, which is 2xy plus x cubed dx, plus add a variable which serves as our unknown, which will be g of y, then integrate. Factor out the constant number or variable for it to be easier to integrate. 2y integration of x dx plus integration of x cubed dx plus g of y. Then integration of x dx will be x squared over 2 plus integration of x cubed dx will be x fourth over 4 plus g of y. Multiply y to x squared, this will be x squared y plus x to the fourth over 4 plus g of y. Then this will be our general solution. The next step will be get the partial derivative of our general solution to get the value of g of y. Then partial derivative of general solution in terms of y, which is x squared y plus x fourth over 4 plus g of y. Partial derivative of x squared y in terms of y will be x squared plus x fourth over 4. Partial derivative in terms of y is 0 plus g prime y. Next step will be, let's equate this equation to our n term. Then x squared plus g prime of y equal to x squared plus y squared. Then transpose x squared to the right side. This will be g prime of y, x squared minus x squared plus y squared. Then this will be cancelled. G prime of y equals y squared. Then integrate. The value of g of y will be y cubed over 3. This is our g of y. Then plug in the value of g of y into the general solution, then get the final answer. X squared y plus x fourth over 4 plus the g of y, which is y cubed over 3, equals C. Now let's proceed to the second example. Y squared dx is equal to 2 plus 3y squared minus 2xy dy. Let's transpose first our n term to the left side. Y squared dx minus 2 plus 3y squared minus 2xy dy equals 0. Then, get the partial derivative of m and the n term. Partial derivative of y squared in terms of y will be 2y. And the partial derivative of n in terms of x will be 0 minus 0 plus 2y. As what we can see, our my is equal to our nx. Then the equation is considered to be an exact differential equation. Next step is get the integration of m term in terms of x. Psi x dx is equal to our m term, which is y squared dx, plus the unknown, which will be g of y. Then integrate, this will be y squared, integration of dx plus g of y. Then this will be xy squared plus g of y. This is our general solution. Next step will be get the partial derivative of our general solution in terms of y. This will be y squared plus g of y. Then partial derivative of xy squared in terms of y is 2xy plus g prime of y. Then equate this equation to our n term, 2xy plus g prime of y is equal to 2, negative 2 minus 3y squared plus 2xy. Transpose 2xy to the right side. G prime of y, negative 2 minus 3y squared plus 2xy minus 2xy. This will be cancelled. Then integrate to get the value of g of y, negative 2 minus integration of 3y squared. Factor out the constant first. G prime of y, negative 2 integration of dy minus 3 integration of y squared dy. Then this will be negative 2y minus 3y cubed over 3. This will be our g of y. Then simplify. G of y will be negative 2y, cancel, minus y cubed. Plug in the value of g of y into our general solution, which is xy squared minus 2y minus y cubed equals c. Then this is our final answer.